We know that we look like our parents, our skin color, hair, eye color, height, most of the appearance of our body resemble to our parents. Do you know what is the reason behind it? And the reason is DNA. Let's get know more about DNA. So DNA stands for deoxyribose nucleic acid. DNA is a chemical substances which present in nucleus of all living cells. DNA is a very large molecule made up of long chain of subunit and the subunit called nucleotide. Each nucleotide is made up of a sugar called deoxyribose sugar, a phosphate group that is PO4 and the organic base. Here ribose is a sugar like glucose but only with 5 carbon atom in its molecule. Deoxyribose is almost same but lack of one oxygen atom. Both molecule may be represented by the symbol as we can see. The most common organic bases are adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine.
A molecule of DNA is formed by millions of nucleotides joined together in a long chain. In fact, the DNA usually consists of a double strand of nucleotides. The sugar phosphate chain are on the outside and the strand are held together by chemical bond between the bases. Before a cell divides, DNA strand unwind and separate. Each strand make a new partner by adding appropriate nucleotide. The result is that there are now double-stranded DNA molecule in the nucleus, so that when the cell divides, each nucleus contain identical DNA. This process is called as replication. The bases always pair in the same way. Adenine forms a bond with thymine and cytosine bond with guanine. The sequence of bases in DNA forms a genetic code. A group of 3 bases control the production of particular amino acid in the cytoplasm of the cell. The different amino acids and in order which they are joined up determines the sort of protein being produced. Each amino acid is coded for by a particular triplet of bases. This is known as triplet code. Each triplet code for a specific amino acid. The amino acids are joined together in a correct sequence to make a part of protein. The protein build the cell structure. They also make enzyme. The DNA control which enzyme are made and the enzyme determine what reaction take place. The structure and the reaction in the cell determine what sort of a cell it is and what its function is. So DNA exerts its control through the enzyme. A sequence of triplet in the DNA molecule may code for a complete protein. Such a sequence form a gene. There may be thousands or more bases in one gene.